In this tutorial, we will learn about XOR function. So XOR is a logical function and it returns true if the arguments evaluates odd number of true. That means within XOR function, in the syntax you can see equal to XOR within bracket logic 1, logic 2. And here dot dot, that means we can insert more than one logic. So if we have any number of logic, the result of those logic are odd number of true. That means 1 true or 3 true or 5 true, then XOR will return true, else it will return false. So we will understand this XOR function with different examples. So we have here 4 examples. First for basic understanding and 2 for calculating with XOR functions, here 3 and 4. So let's see. Here it type equal to XOR. So first logic is type this one, comma, then select this cell, comma, select this cell, then bracket close and enter. So it returns true because all these numbers in Excel are accepted as true. That's why it returns true. We have 3 true, that is odd number of true. But here you can see we have one 0. 0 means false. So here it will become 2 true, that is even true. So it will return false. Let's see, equal to XOR this cell, comma, this cell, comma, this cell, bracket close. It is false. Now here type equal to XOR, then this cell equal to 5, comma, this cell equal to 6, comma, this cell equal to 7. So we have here 3 logic, logic 1, logic 2 and logic 3, but it returns false because we have 2 correct logic. Press F9 here, then F9 and F9. So 2 true and 1 false, so even number of true, that is why it is returning false. Now here let's see with text equal to XOR this cell equal to RAM, comma, this cell equal to Sham, comma, this cell equal to Rohit, bracket close and enter. It returns true because all these logics are true. You can see here, press F9, F9 and F9. Odd number of true. That is why it is returning true. Now the fifth one. So type here equal to XOR this cell equal to 1, comma, this cell equal to 2, comma, this cell equal to 3. So all this logic are false. So it is returning false. So this is the basic of XOR function. Now we will understand with example 2. So here the question is, if these two are true, then what's happened? Equal to XOR. We are giving the function this cell equal to own. Now, sorry, comma, this cell equal to own. Enter. It is false. Now, if I drag this, then it is returning true. This is returning true, and this is also returning true. False. So because here we have even number of true, so it is false. It is odd number of true here and here 2 own. Here is 1 own in this, so it is true. Here 1 own, it is true, and here both are false. That is why it is returning false. Now, with the help of this function, we will check whether these teams qualify for final, semi-final or not. If both matches are on, then final. If one match is on, then semi-final. If 2 matches lost, then out of game. So let's see how to do it. Type here equal to if and here we can give here this cell equal to own, comma, this cell equal to own. But here we will use the array function, select this cell equal to own. then bracket close. Here you can see, press F9, it is true. And if I check only this one, F9 is true comma true. So within AND function, if all the logics are true, then it is returns true. So if it is true, then it will return final, comma. If one number of win, that is, we can here use XOR function. XOR, select this cell, equal to on, then semi-final, else out of game, bracket close for one if, bracket close for second if. Press enter. So we are getting error value because this is an array formula. We cannot just enter it. We have to press Ctrl Shift then enter. So this team A got into final. Now drag this down. You can see this team B and C are on semi-final and team D out of game. So in this way you can use the XOR function. Now here another problem, that is check whether an employee qualifies for full bonus or half bonus. If both the product sales exceed 10,000, then full bonus. If one product exceeds 10,000, then half bonus. So here are two products and these are the sales of these employees. We will see which employee have qualified for full bonus and which employee qualified for half bonus. Let's see. For full bonus, we have to use AND function. So type here equal to if, then AND. Here we can use this cell greater than 10,000, comma this cell greater than 10,000. Here we can use like this way, or we can also use select this both cell greater than 10,000, bracket close. If it is true, then qualify, that is yes, else no, bracket close, Control Shift and enter. So we got here yes. That means this employee Ram has qualified for the full bonus and no other employee qualified for the full bonus. Now we will see who have qualified for the half bonus. So equal to the same way, but here we will use XOR function. Equal to XOR, select this two cell. Sorry, here we have to use the if function. If within XOR this two cell is greater than 10,000, then bracket close, comma here yes, comma no, bracket close, enter. Sorry, here we have to press Ctrl Shift enter, no, and drag down these two employee qualified for the half bonus. Now if we want to merge these two formulas in a single formula, then how to do that? Equal to if and these two cell greater than 10,000, then full bonus, comma if these two cell, sorry, here we have to use and here we have to close the bracket for and here we have to use XOR function and greater than 10,000, then half bonus, else nothing. We can put here blank or no bonus. So here we'll type no bonus, bracket close for one bracket and it is for second bracket, enter. Error value, Control Shift Enter. So for the first employee, you got full bonus, then half bonus, no bonus. So in this way, you can merge this. Equal to formula text, select this cell, bracket close, and enter. Drag this down. So this is the formula you have to use to get in a single formula. So in this way, you can use the XOR function to solve your real life problem. So I hope this tutorial was useful for you. But still, if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely help you out. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share this with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to learn more about Excel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.